Hey everyone, today's topic is chemistry of carbohydrates. So, the learning objectives will be to define carbohydrates, classify carbohydrates, and give suitable example for each type of carbohydrate. The definition says that polyhydroxyaldehydes or polyhydroxyketones or substances which give these on hydrolysis are termed as carbohydrates. So you can see in this structure over here that both these molecules have a functional group. The functional group is either a keto or an aldehyde group. They also have many hydroxyl groups and therefore they are known as polyhydroxyketones or polyhydroxyaldehydes. These are examples of carbohydrates. So the carbohydrate classification is actually based on the number of monomeric units they are made up of. In nature, these carbohydrates exist as polymers which are made of monomeric units. So let's see the classification. Based on the number of monomeric units, it is classified as monosaccharide known as simple sugar, disaccharide which is made of 2 monosaccharide units, oligosaccharides having 3 to 10 monosaccharide units, and polysaccharides having more than 10 monosaccharide units. The monosaccharides are made of 3 to 7 carbon containing skeleton, and these include aldoses, the aldose sugar. Depending on the number of carbon, they can be classified as triose, example glyceraldehyde, tetrose, example erythrose, ribose and xylose are pentoses. Glucose is an example of hexose, which is the main source of energy in our body, and glucoheptose is a heptose. The ketose sugar have the keto as functional group, ketone group, and they are also made up 3 to 7 carbon and example of 3 carbon containing ketose is dihydroxyacetone. You must know that glyceraldehyde and dihydroxyacetone are the smallest carbohydrates. They cannot be further hydrolyzed into smaller components. Erythrulose is tetrose, ribulose and xylulose are also examples of pentoses. Fructose is the fruit sugar which is a hexose, and pseudoheptulose is a 7 carbon containing compound which is found as an intermediate of pentose phosphate pathway. All these monosaccharide units are known as simple sugars because they cannot be further hydrolyzed into simpler forms. They are all reducing in nature. The disaccharides are further classified as reducing sugars, example maltose, which is found in malt, and lactose, which is found in the milk and it is known as the milk sugar. The non-reducing sugar example is sucrose, which is the table sugar that we consume. The oligosaccharide examples include raffinose, stachyose, verbicose, and maltotriose. The polysaccharides are further classified as homopolysaccharides, which means they are made of same monosaccharide repeating units. Examples are starch stored in plants, glycogen stored in animals, dextrine is partially digested starch, cellulose is found in plant cell wall, dextran is synthesized by microorganisms. All these examples which are written in blue here are polymers of glucose. Inulin is found in tubers of such as onions and garlics, and it is a polymer of fructose, whereas chitin is found in the exoskeleton of certain crustaceans and insects, and it is a homopolymer or homopolysaccharide made of N-acetyl glucose amine, which is a amino sugar. The heteropolysaccharide, on the other hand, are made up of different polysaccharide units, as the word hetero means different. The example includes agar and agarose, which are made by certain seaweeds. The gums and pectins are plant products. Apart from these, the other examples that are of great medical importance are hyaluronic acid, chondroitin sulfate, keratin sulfate, dermatin sulfate, and heparin sulfate. All these molecules are examples of glycosaminoglycans, which have a very important role in our human body. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and share, and subscribe to my channel.